Hello everyone! What menu do you usually have for breakfast? Is it fried rice, sandwich, chicken porridge, soto, or cereal? My favorite breakfast menu is banana oat cheese pancake. In this video, I'll tell you how to make it. Let's just get started! The ingredients that we need are an egg, 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons oatmeal, one teaspoon butter, and cheese for garnish. First of all, mash the bananas using a fork until they are almost smooth. Then, add the egg and the oatmeal. Next, whisk them to combine so that it will be thick and lumpy batter. Heat the butter in a non-stick pan. Remember not to put the whole butter at once. Divide it into 3 times of using. Put the butter onto the pan and cook until some bubbles appear on the top. Flip the pancakes and cook a few minutes more. Do steps 5 and 6 for the rest of the batter. Top the pancakes with cheese. Finally, banana oat cheese pancake is ready to serve. It's really nice. You can try making it at home. Bye!